Hi, welcome to Affiliates OFP new system. Okay, first of all, you will receive an email with the link of the system, and you will have to enter using your email and a password. Okay, you can always reset your password. Once you log in the system, this is how it looks like. Okay, you will have your dashboard with all your KPIs. You can know signups, FTPs, purchases, repurchases, and total purchases. Okay. And here you can also see clicks and so on. If you want to see more KPIs, you can click on here. For example, see how much commission you generated. Here you have comparison charts, and you can also have here all the campaigns. Very important, you can get your link to promote straight from the dashboard. And if you paste it here, for example, you will see that it goes to the homepage of OFP, okay? And we're tracking the parameters that it comes from you. You can add any parameter that you want to the link, okay? To this link, you can add any parameter you want. You can also get a short link, okay, to promote, and a QR code. To continue, you will have reports, okay, where you can see all the performance. For example, customer report, you can see all your customers. Make sure to select the right amount of dates, okay? And also you can have, for example, monthly performance, where I can see, I don't know, how many deposits, FTD, this and that I generated. And also very important to click performance commission, so I know how much commission I generated, okay? Can also order the columns as I want, if I want to see first performance commission, for example. Very important to promote, you will have the links, okay? One link to the homepage and one to the register page. You can just copy here the link. And also, if you have available promotional codes, you will see it here, okay? Regarding postbacks, if you want to configure postbacks, it's very easy. You can have for signups, first time purchase, or all the purchases, and you can see here how to correctly set it up, okay? In terms of payment history, you can see here how much balance you generated, if it was approved, and in the detail statement all the payments, okay? If you want to create more links, okay, you can always add a campaign and name it whatever you want, and that will generate you a new link. So for example, here in the direct link I have two campaigns. So this one is the 2235, and if I click here I have the 2237, okay? That's it. Basically, you will have everything in your dashboard. If you have any questions, you can ask us. Of course, you can always select the data range you want to see in the dashboard, okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day.